this is Rob here. Today we're just doing a little footage, like a little photo bits and stuff. Hoping I'll throw it up on some of my video. It is spitting on rain right now, but I'm hoping it doesn't come to anything badly, like heavy. It was raining a couple of minutes, a wee while ago before I came out. I didn't record when I was walking all the way down. It was a long 5 minutes, 20 minute walk from my house down to where I am now. The nature trail. Just, if you hear the wind, guys, sorry about that. I'm trying to get the camera out. Bag open. Camera bag open. It is muddy, like very muddy, and I'm wearing white shoes, and I thought it won't be that muddy down here, but it is. Meaning that's a good start. Having fun cleaning these. Ooh. I'm done the nature trail. It's kind of quiet. I just passed two older folk who were walking just back there ago. Before, just when I started to record. I don't know if you've seen them in the background when I started, or I was round the corner when I did it. I can't remember exactly. There's not a lot of photos to take right this minute. It's just bits and bobs, and I'm a little bit high up as well, which means I can't get right down to the bottom of the water. From a couple of the rain I thought the water would be up a little bit higher, but it looks like it's went down. I was hoping for it to be higher to try to get some nice shots. But at the end of this nature trail is a waterfall. I mean, I'll try to get some clips there. And I was there on Christmas Day at the waterfall taking photos from all the heavy rain we had. I mean, I'll throw one of the photos at ends when you know what it is to now. So yeah, I'll check the time if I need to meet my mum at 2. 12:09. 9 minutes past 12. Shoe stuff there. Some nice little bits and bobs here. We just want to go through some, up here I'm going to go through some farmland. Last time I walked through here there was cows in the field. Check if there's any today. Some nice water there in here. Not bad. It's all covered in mud. I just need to watch. I'm using my phone for recording. I just need to check like the recording thing's running down my battery kind of fast. I've noticed it lately, and I've took a couple of days off recording and vlogging and stuff, like being busy at school and stuff, and there's not a lot of thing to do in school right now for recording. And I have a second channel as well, was Rob Dynamite. Oh shit. I did have a channel out there, is Rob Dynamite. Has no photos on it. Any videos on it right now. I'm going to make it as my gaming channel, or the one this channel what you're watching my vlogs on. This was one of my main channels, but I decided I had a music channel called Rob Dionite Music, but I kind of never uploaded music to it. I never had the right equipment. I just had bits and bobs of music and apps on my iPad and iPod and stuff. Ground's frozen. Yeah. I thought that'd be muddy, but it's not. Right now we're in the field on farmland. I mean, there's no animals right now. There was last time I was here. I'm on 30% already. I'll start recording in a little while. I'm going to stop right now, and I will get back to you when we get to our place. See you in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, we're nearly at our bit. It is, probably noticed it's sad to rain. I'm hoping it ain't going to get heavy. Right now I'm okay, I'm sheltered. But it was spitting and the wind picked up there. Kind of out of breath because I just went up a ton of stairs back there. I had like tons of mud on it. I got a bit of a drink with me. Ooh, that was hard work. There was a path. I could took two ways. There was a path just on there, but I decided just to follow the water. I was wondering where that smoke over there was coming from. Looks like it's coming from a tractor. I thought a car was on fire. Oh shit. It's not, it's a tractor smoking, coming from the exhaust pipe, I think. I think it's going a little bit fast for the smoke to come out like that fast. Jeez. All the weather outside's cold. One of the two. We're nearly at our destination. I'll catch back when we get there. It's only a couple down this hill just round the corner. Then we'll be there and I will catch you guys in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. This bit I just left. Stopped recording just up there when I was coming down this hill. I just seen this mud. Looks like a swamp's just went off. I'm just recording in case I fall. It's been make this vlog a little bit funnier. I'm hoping I don't fall. I got to meet my mum after this, or I'm trying to waste time to manage to go instead of sitting in the house. I'm went for a walk, get some photos. I got my sugar. I got my tripod with me. I'm tempting to not kick that out right now. Like this is muddy as. Don't know if you could hear in the background. Wait a minute, I'll change my cam. Stuff. Randomly come down and see a sign. There. CCTV in open area. That's nice. I don't know why you want a CCTV camera down here. Maybe the people who own this land. There's one there as well. Don't know if people have been going in. Can't see the CCTV camera. You're meant to. No, it's it. Where is it? Private property. Keep off. Yeah, I bet it's private property there. I don't know how people are getting through, but okay. Yeah. It's maybe young people or something who's going in. Something like that, I don't know. Just carry on and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I'm back at this. I'm on my camera this time. Like my phone's about dead. I don't know. Sorry about the shaking on the camera. There we go. If you hear the wind, I'm sorry about that. I can't kind of help it on this camera right now. It looks like the sheep are need to herd me, like they're staring at me. Yes. Okay. Or there's people down here walking, maybe with a dog. So maybe that's why they're running away, I don't know. We're at our destination point where we had to come, take some nice photos. It's just, I don't know if you've seen it there a minute ago. The water is just down here. No, there's no one coming for dogs, but I don't know if they need to see me coming or something in the sad run, I don't know. There's some nice little bits here to take some nice photos. It stopped raining. Right now it's just windy and a bit cold. It's been we catch you guys after I take some photos. Adios.
So let me catch you, so let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights? Oh, why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely
Okay guys, we're back. The waterfall is just up in front of us. I don't know if you see it, so I focus it is. The waterfall is just in front. There's a little town up here as well. We're just getting through some of this mud here. Got some nice photos back there. It was kind of good. I don't know. My dad phoned me half when I was kicking it. Oh my god, look at this. Jesus. This is going to go interesting with white shoes on. Oh, this went very well. Should have worn my air shoes. Or my boots. One of the two. Like, this is mental. I'm hoping to try to get some of this mud off my feet when I start walking back on the roads. If I can, if I get some of the mud off when I'm at the road. I'm hoping when I'm don't need a nip home to get new shoes on and when I'm going to meet my mum. Don't know if you can hear me over this, but if you can, good luck. I'll get back to you guys in a couple of minutes when I take some photos.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
Okay guys, here we go. It is raining. I'll probably put my camera away in a couple of minutes and pull out my phone and check I have enough charge on it. We just good. Okay. Follow this road, head back to town, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Okay guys, got a long walk ahead of me. There you go, like you see. It's a long walk back to our place. I think our nature trail was faster. Don't know. It is kind of chilly. There was a car just past me a couple of minutes ago. I stuck my glasses on. It is cold, very cold. Rain's still on, hoping it was coming. It's not heavy right now. I'm trying to get some of the mud off my shoe. I'll wait when I get back into town, check how muddy that. If not, I'll start heading down to my mum's work. And I'm hoping it's time to go. Like I'm sweating like a sausage. And it's freezing cold. That's sunny, okay. Just seen a car, headlights, fog lights, what that. I need to get out the fucking way. I'm hoping the car can see me and I'm walking down. I'm just going to keep this recording in case anything happens. I'm hoping the car fucking pulls over or something. Oh, it's in the middle of the road. Coming up there now. Soon. I think you see me like 30 yards away from me. It's chucking down the rain right now. Oh, it's a landing driver. Oh no, it's not. Oh, they're pulling over. Landing driver. I'm okay. The driver's learning to drive. What I'm going to do shortly. That's going to go terrific. Now there's a car coming down. And I think I've seen a car headlight up front. Yeah, I did. Audi. But there's a car coming towards me again. It's a little further back. From here I don't think it's a lane driver one's way. We're alright. Oh, we've got two cars coming towards me now. Hopefully there's no cars fucking behind me. Oh, there is a junction up here. I'm hoping it's going to fucking move. Or turn. I'm just going to stick on the path right now. Here's pulling to the middle of the road. Okay. Now I've got a Land Rover coming. And he's pulling over. Oh, he was going at there's a guy car coming. Don't know which direction it's going. It's going. Oh wait, oh. It looks like a custom BMW. Don't know if you heard its engine. You have a year incoming car. I need to stop recording in a couple of minutes before my battery dies. Looks like there's a lot of food next to me. It's a field. Okay, I better stop. I don't know what's coming or what's the Porsche. I'm hoping it turns. It is cold. The car is white.
Receive a message from your girlfriend. Reply before
Okay.
she gets angry.
That's not Porsche. But it's cool, no wood. That's cold. In the ground. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone away. I'll catch you guys when I get back into town. We only have 2 miles from that sign saying. Yeah. Okay guys, from the part of from earlier on, from going out there, and I forgot to record after like my phone died. So I'm just gonna do this little clip for the end. Enjoy, and it was freezing cold as well. It's been raining a little bit. It's been enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Adios.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. A world change.